Hello! Today I am going to show you how to install your new upTOP Overland truss bed rack. First, separate all your hardware for easy sorting. With bag 9000.4, start taking out all the materials and using the Vibra tight on the bolts. Let them settle for around 20 minutes. Grab 3807 and 3806 and align on track. You will want 1-inch spacing before the end of the T-track. Grab 3803 and align on top like so. You can adjust where you want your bars later, but for this video, let's set them at the furthest slot. Now grab bag 9022 and place the nuts and bolts like so. Tighten but keep loose for now. Now place the two metal piece 3808 and another 3803 in the center of the tracks. Again, you can adjust the center bar for your needs later, but for this video, we will put them in the center slot. Now we will put the T-tracks brackets in the tracks, and with hardware bag 9000.13. Start putting the nuts and washer on. Tighten, but make sure to keep loose. Now we will grab the legs and bag 9022 and start putting the legs onto the footing hardware on the tracks. There's a lot of bolts and a lot of legs, so this will be the most time-consuming part. Once that's done, we will now start assembling the side rails. Just slide them over each other like so. With bag 9023, go attach the side panel to the legs. Again, you can change the height to whatever you want, but for this video, we will do the lower height. Tighten and keep loose. And with bag 9023, you will assemble the side panel to itself. Make sure to only do this once you find even spacing in between the bars. Also make sure that the side holes are easy to see through and not layered on one another. Once you have one side done, you can count the holes and use that as easier reference for the other side. Now we will put the long nuts on both sides of the load bars and put the cap on. Using the previously Vibra-tighted nuts, assemble the load bars to the legs. Once all bars are on with the proper bolts, start torquing the same bolts to 14 foot-pounds. These bolts should be the very first bolts that are tightened fully. Now you can install the optional leg covers as shown. Tighten the footing to the T-track tight. Now you can tighten the rest of the nuts, which is all of them that you didn't secure yet. Congrats! You have just finished installing your new upTOP Overland truss bed rack. Enjoy your new toy that you just installed yourself.